In this video, we're going to go over how to add more engagement widgets to your ChatHQ Portal account. So when you're in your dashboard on your ChatHQ Portal, you will see this page here. So we're going to go ahead and click on Configure Widgets. This is going to open up your first widget here. So as you can see, we have a variety of different widgets built out, and we want to add a new widget. So all you have to do is click on this plus icon here, click on Add New Widget, and then this is going to refresh into your new widget. So this is going to automatically say New Widget with a variety of letters and numbers here, and you can update your widget name. And then once you have that, then you can go into your customization where you can enable your widget, update your widget visibility, edit your widget window settings so you can customize the colors and your logos. You can set up your office hours, your widget branding here, and then you can also install your widget. Going over to conversion tools, over here, this is where you'll be able to add all of your different conversion tools. So we have a variety of different widget tools here that you can create. And then you also have your targeted prompts over here where you can create messages that will pop up when clients visit your website. So going back over here to widget settings, just update your name here for your new widget. And then you have the option down here where you can duplicate your widget if you have that built out and you'd like to recreate it and customize it for different pages of your website. And then you also have the option to delete your widget as well. Please be aware that once you click that delete button, your widget will be gone forever and it will not be recovered, and you'll have to rebuild it all again. So that right there is the basics on how to add more engagement widgets. If you are on the free plan, you will only have access to one engagement widget. If you are on the startup or agency plan, you will have additional widgets that you will be able to build out. So that's about it. Thank you.